G'day. Today we're going to be changing the switchboard from porcelain fuses to circuit breakers. So we're going to be mounting this enclosure and putting our RCDs on here. And that way we'll have full protection of this board. So, let's mark all the cables first. So that's the old earth leaky circuit breaker. Pretty useless. Fuses, I should say. The old circuit breaker for the air conditioning. Are you making coffee inside? Off to the power. You're on neutral link. Just take the cover off of the main switch. Still line, still loaded, it's all safe. Oh, like pulling a tooth. Keyway, so we'll put it up first. Now to drill the entry holes for the cable.
Messy there, is it?
I've got to cut it all back. sort of redo it all.
Where did you isolate it from, that main switch?
Yeah, just for now. It's live here, but it's not live. Just do it all. Do the change over.
Well, that makes it easier having that isolation switch there, doesn't it?
Oh, I can still do it. I can do it live and just put a beep connection on.
Okay.
It's just handy to have.
Yeah. Do you want to wait till you finish an eat, or?
I can. You can do it whenever.
Yeah. Well, how long do you reckon this will take?
Oh, it's take a while. Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
You can go and
What do you want?
Where are you going?
Well, there's anything you want. There's Pizza Hut, KFC, McDonald's, Hungry Jack's, Subway.
Something warm, eh? It's pretty cold.
There's
too cold to get Subway, mate.
yeah. Or there's anything you want over there.
I just get
fish and
I just get fish and chips for that seafood. What's
yeah,
it
you
called?
want that?
Yeah,
That one you want? Yeah. Fish and chips.
Voila! So I'm about to solder all the earth joints. The butane burner comes in here, rather than soldering iron. Really burnt. So now for the easy bit. Sometimes not so easy because of line the stickers up. So the green ones are for residual current devices. Steve, what are you doing?
Oh, the rubber back and everything.
What are you doing at the moment?
Mate, I'm just laying some wall tiles for a feature wall.
Yeah, well, it's very well a chip rocket, isn't it?
It's a bit fiddly because the walls are kind of a square,
Yeah,
but we're getting there, mate.
Very effective, isn't it?
Yes, it works. Gives it a nice finish. I'm not your everyday tiler, but I do my best.
And he's good at it.
I'm not good at it, but I'm finicky. I'm fussy with it. And hopefully it looks nice at the end.
Fantastic.
Yeah. So yeah, and as you can see, there's only another 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles I have to cut. Then we need to look at outside here to do the tiles out there. I feel there's always something to do in this place because it's a very old place, but it's looking fantastic. And on the help of my brother Jeff, who's doing the electrical work, you've got Carolina, my future daughter-in-law, painting herself in a corner, which is very funny, and then you've got my wife over there working frantically cleaning, and my son having a rest, which is not.
You on the toilet, Daniel?
But
not bloody resting.
Sitting on the toilet and rest.
yes, you can. There's still a bit to do. We've got to do the skirting boards around the corners here, but we'll see you next time. Bye bye now. And bring your money with you.
You'll come back now, you.
You'll come back now, you. Being on camera,
Hey Carolina, what you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you cutting in? You're cutting in the hallway at the moment.
Yes, I am. It's a
Looks terrific.
I suppose it's a busy thing. How do you say it? It's a hard job, but it's worth it.
rewarding.
Hopefully it's gonna turn out well.
Bye. She's cleaning the fridge at the moment. It's a beautiful fridge. Double door. Chilled water. And Daniel's put a filter up the top there. See that one for Daniel?
Yeah.
It's good position.
Yeah, I did it pretty good actually. It's on the fridge out.
And this is the special feature. We have ice in here if I can get it open, but I can't. So anyway, every good group always has a cleaner. So that's my feature today. I'm the cleaner extraordinaire.
And Daniel's studying to be an electrician at the moment, so he's cutting the gyprock out to suit the new light switch.
It's been a good apprentice for my electrician.
Yeah, we had to move it over slightly. It's chipping away. There's
We've got a timber here as well, screw straight in.
Yeah, it's great. Lucky. Some things do work out, don't they?
Not everything.
The place looks absolutely terrific. So we've got around 360 at the moment, and the feature walls, Sue and Carolina did use it with walls, didn't you, Sue? Yeah, the green looks. It's like a tropical. What do you call it?
Sort of a deep forest green.
Yeah.
I really like the marble effect.
Yeah, and you've got your colour is your grey for your vertical blinds, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
Grey and white. And the lounge, what colour's your lounge?
like a charcoal grey.
Okay, so it should.
So it's got night and day curtains. So when you pull the night curtains down, you look out the outside light, and in the morning you lift the night curtain up, or the roller blind, and you've got the day blind. So
Okay, fantastic. Now with the TV, Dan, you've got that in place now, and you've got the cabinet, fantastic furniture. What happened there? Now we're finished with the LED spotlights and just need to adjust the sensor. It's best to do it when it's at dusk. It's at the sensitivity of the distance. So we'll just try and switch it on. Oh, we have light. Do you want light out here, Caroline? No, out here. Get the lights on.
Wow, that's nice. Better than the other ones. The other ones were old and ugly.
I'm going to have to adjust that one.
Do you think they're enough? Bright enough?
At night time, will it? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You don't want it too bright
No.
because people driving past in the cars.
Yes. What a shame that beam is there.
Shame the downfall.
Yeah.
But you might better put them like that. Oh, well, it's up to you because
Yeah.
that's a bit low.
That's annoying, yeah.
I mean, you put them face one over there or something.
Yeah, the good thing is that we can move them a bit.
Yeah. That's on the sensor. See it goes to the sensor.
Yeah.
You put them like that or something if you want to, you know.
Yeah.
You get to, at night time you need to adjust it.
That's true. Oh, thank you, Jeff. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot better than the other one.
All right, that's the end of the day at Daniel's. Done a little bit more work, and it's looking fantastic inside. So we'll see you next time. Bye for now.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it in
You don't? Can't you explain what's going on? Well, just say something about you first.
Because I haven't been here while they've been doing things. I don't know what the changes are.
Well, you can see what's going on. Okay?
Here we are.
Okay, I'll say something first.
Okay.
All right. Long day. Time to go. Thanks for watching. See you in there. Bye for now.